Beep, boop, beep.
Ha! The machine is working today.
Hey, robot girl, look at me.
Please, leave me alone.
Give me that book. Give it to me now.
No, it is my homework.
Let's see the robot's secrets.
Look at this. The sun is yellow, the sky is blue.
That is not English. That is a computer talking.
Stop. I am not a machine.
Oh, look, the robot is crying.
Does a robot cry oil or water?
Do you need a battery, Yuki?
Stop. Peter, Leo, sit down now.
It is just a joke, Miss Clark.
It is not a joke. It is mean. I do not allow bullying here. Yuki is brave. You are being unkind. If I hear robot again, you go to the office. Open your books. No more words, Peter.
Thank you, teacher.
We will talk later, Yuki. Don't cry.
Yuki, daughter, dinner is ready.
Yuki, why is your face so sad?
I'm not hungry, Mother.
Oh, my dear daughter, tell me everything.
The students laugh at me, Mom, Peter and Leo. They call me Robot Girl. They say my English is mechanical.
Mechanical? What is that?
It means I speak like a machine, word by word.
Learning is a long road, Yuki.
I want to go back to Japan. I want to hide.
No, my daughter. We are a family. We stay together.
You are strong. You have the heart of a lion.
A lion with no friends, Father.
Mims Clark is nice. She is your ally.
One ally is enough. Go to sleep. Tomorrow is a new day.
Tomorrow is better. Your mother promises. I love you.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. I will try to be brave.
Stay here, Yuki. Let's practice together.
I'm nervous. My English is bad.
No, Yuki, it is new, like a baby learning to walk.
I fall every time I speak.
That is okay. Look at my mouth. Say, I am learning every day.
I'm learning every day.
Good. Now faster. Connect the sounds.
I'm learning every day.
Perfect. No robot sounds. Your voice is flowing.
I'm learning every day.
Now say, my voice is my power.
My voice is my power.
Connect the words. My voice is my power.
My voice is my power.
Yes, you are a girl with a voice, not a machine.
Thank you, Miss Clark. I feel human.
Practice at home, speak to the mirror.
I will. I want to belong here.
You will, Yuki. I believe in you.
One, two, three. I'm counting my tears. I want to go home. I hate this school.
Stop. Don't cry.
Who are you?
I'm Chloe, and you're not alone anymore.
Please go away. Everyone thinks I am a robot.
I don't. I think you're a girl with a heavy heart.
My English is bad. My voice is broken.
Look at my hands, Yuki. Look.
They are shaking. Why are they shaking?
Because I'm scared too. I'm afraid of this place.
You? But you are from here.
It doesn't matter. The world is loud. I like the quiet.
I am a robot to the boys.
The boys are silly. They have small minds. Is this seat free? I need a friend today.
Yes, it is free.
Thank you. I like your notebook.
It is just my drawings.
No. This flower is beautiful. It is full of life.
It is a cherry blossom. It is from Japan.
Teach me. Teach me how to draw life.
I can do that. I can teach you.
We can be friends. Forget the silly boys.
Thank you, Chloe.
Do you want to eat together tomorrow?
Yes, I want that.
You're my first friend, Yuki.
You are my first friend too, Chloe. Mother, father, I am home.
Yuki, my daughter, you're smiling.
Why are your eyes dancing? Tell me the news.
I have a friend, father, a real friend.
Oh, that is wonderful.
What is her name?
Her name is Chloe. She sat with me at lunch.
Did she laugh at your English?
No, mother. She said, the boys are silly. She is my friend.
You see, everyone has a struggle.
We shared an apple. She likes me.
I told you, tomorrow is always better.
I can say my voice is my power.
Your father is proud. You're a star.
I want to go to school tomorrow. I want to see Chloe.
A friend changes everything.
I am not a robot today. I am a girl with a friend.
Good morning, class. Today is for science projects.
You are ready, Yuki. Take a breath.
I'm scared, Chloe.
Don't be scared. I am right here. Look at me. Only me.
Thank you, best friend.
Yuki, please come to the front.
Good morning. Today I talk about the solar system.
Look, the robot is at the front.
Is the machine going to speak now?
Yes, the machine is speaking. But it is not a machine. It is a girl. My name is Yuki, and today I show you the stars.
Whoa. Look at those drawings. They are cool.
The sun is at the center. It is a hot star.
Whoa, look at Saturn. That is awesome.
There are 8 planets. Jupiter is a giant. Saturn has rings of ice and dust.
Her project is cool, and her English is good.
We live on Earth. It is the blue planet. Space is big, but we are all under the same sun. Thank you for listening. My name is Yuki.
Excellent, Yuki. Your voice was clear and strong.
Yuki, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we were silly. Your art is the best.
Thank you, Leo. Thank you, Peter. I love drawing.
You were a star, Yuki. You did it.
We did it together, Chloe.
I am so proud of you. You are so brave.
I'm brave because I have you.
Best friends forever?
Best friends forever.
Remember, class, words can be stones or they can be stars. Today, Yuki showed us the stars.
My voice is my power, and my heart is finally home.
Loved Yuki's story? Please like and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching!